This is Loki and her first huge snowstorm. I let her out and I'm letting her play in the snow. And she's just adorable. She's loving it. She's digging around in it and she's having a blast. And I'd say there's maybe 10 to 12 inches right now. I don't know, that's just a guess though. Loki! There you are. You're so cute. She is just adorable. Yep. What you doing, Loki? Huh? What you doing? Hold on, guys. I gotta wipe off my iPod. It's getting a little wet. A little snowed on. What you doing, Loki? Digging around? Did you hear those geese? What were those? Anyway, that's Loki playing in the snow. Super cute.